Good people. This is Nathan P. Just want to give you a heads up. September 26th is right around the corner, which we're doing another installment, or mini installment of the Epic 12, the showcase created by the fabulous Nicole Acosta. This time it's going to be downtown Brooklyn at 61 Lower, a swank little spot. Come out and see some of the original Epic 12 and give you an appetizer for the upcoming fall show. Hope to see you there. Cool.